Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another taco review. We're at Ricky's Mexican Grill. Conrad and Ogden in Chicago. Not Chicago, Brookfield. Carne asada, I can't even open it. I was too close, maybe. My bad, deal. There you go. You should have told me to get lower there. Not bad, deal. Those tortillas need some work. Let me see the hot sauce. The meat is nice and tender. The hot sauce is no good. Too much vinegar or whatever. Yeah. I'm gonna give this a 6.5 out of 10. Yeah. Have a good one, guys. Come and check out Ricky's Mexican Grill.